Today we're finally trying the viral Shelby Ann face routine. She's full coverage, she's glowy, this is what dreams are made of. She claims the reason why this tutorial is so amazing is because she really goes in with her skin prep. First she goes in with this There's Milky Toner. So we're gonna press this into the skin. And this works well on sensitive skin also. It's not gonna irritate you. And it's also tackier than I thought, so maybe that's why she doesn't go in with a primer. Then she goes in with the e.l.f. Thirst Drops. Listen, she's selling shit out left and right, so I can't find everything, but I have the majority. So I'm going in with this Cocoa Kind water cream. Thirst, water, it's all the same category, okay? Give me a break. I just got this today, and she feels delicious on the skin. Look at that. She goes in with this Whoa Glow e.l.f. Skin SPF and Makeup Primer. There you go. The only one that was in stock is so teeny weeny. And she goes heavy with this, so I'll probably run out by today. Basically, you should look like you could ice skate on your face. Then she goes in with the L'Oreal True Matte. She might be a little dark, but summer's coming. She also blends shit out with a brush. You know why? Because she's a makeup artist. Oh God, she actually doesn't take it to the under eye. I always take shit to the under eye, so let me wipe that off. It's not Taylor Ann today, baby. It's Shelby Ann. Alright, then she goes in with two concealers, my type of girl. She's gonna go in with this L'Oreal Infallible and also this Neutrogena, which is supposed to be a dupe for the NARS. A dupe for the NARS. Getting tongue-tied over here. Puts this to brighten. It's not light enough, I don't think, to brighten, but it's okay. It was sent to me. She went a bit heavier with this one, so I'm gonna do the same. Very similar to what I do, kind of, with the concealer placement. And she says to put that shit on, and girl, don't tell me twice, because you know I be putting that shit on. I feel so ass backwards doing this without the bronzer on. You're never gonna believe this right now. We're blending out the concealer with a fucking sponge. But Shelby Ann, we're doing what she does. I haven't used a sponge in forever. Being careful with my makeup that I'm probably gonna wipe off. That's awesome. Alright, the coverage is still there. I'll give it to her. And this isn't her fault because she got fucking butter skin. Perfect skin. But sometimes when I use a sponge, it picks up my foundation. But the eyes are looking bright and beautiful. I'm just going to go back over my foundation brush in this little area. There we go. Right now, she goes in with this Milani Cream Bronzer. You know this is my favorite part. This is where the magic happens for me. There we go. She goes in with this pink L'Oreal Blurfection powder. She puts it on a powder puff. Then she presses it into her palm. I understand. I believe she puts this powder anywhere where she put her concealer. I do not have the same bronzer, so I'm going to go in with this NYX Buttermelt Bronzer. And you know I got to do the Ozempic nosy. I'm sorry, Shelby. There we go. Goes in with this L'Oreal Infallible Blush in... She says the color all the time. Where's the color? Confident Pink. And then with the blush... Yeah, she's a pretty color. She's a pretty color. Oh damn, light-handed. Let me aggressively blend this out. I'll probably go back in with some loose powder. I'm actually gonna go in with this light pink brightening powder. It's from that website that everything's like $1. But she works pretty well. I'm not gonna lie, I'm looking in the mirror and bitch, I look good. I look good. Alright, she goes in with this Maybelline Infallible. It's like hairspray, but all that means is it's a good setting spray. You heard my chair squeaking? Whew. She goes in with the highlighter. Alrighty, I just gotta pop on my beauty marks. For my nude lip, it's usually the same shit, but it's always NYX Cold Brew Lip Liner. Sometimes I switch up the lip gloss, but you get the hint. I do a heavy overdraw. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl in Captivating. Go back in with the lip liner, always. Alright, this looks flawless, but let me do my hair. I'll be right back. Alrighty, we're all done, and I look fucking banging. Everything looks gorgeous. Everything looks gorgeous. Everything. Shelby Ann, bravo, girl. I don't even leave the house, and I'm about to go outside tonight. What's today? Tuesday? Taco Tuesday. I'll be fine. Well, what are we thinking? Do I switch it up? Do I become a neutral type of bitch? You know I could never go full balls to the wall with this shit, but this looks gorgeous, gorgeous. Make sure you keep picking up the phone when I call, okay? Don't start slacking. You've been slacking. Yesterday I saw the numbers. I don't even want to open my phone, okay? No one talking to me anymore. What happened? Anyways, I love you, my whole bag, so much. I'll talk to you tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye.